Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion to run a business. Notion offers a powerful, all-in-one workspace designed to centralize your company's operations. Imagine having one single place for all your documents, projects, and team communication. It helps you organize everything from daily tasks to long-term strategies, making your business more efficient and collaborative. We'll explore how this versatile tool can transform your workflow and boost productivity across your entire team, saving you valuable time and effort. Managing projects effectively is crucial, and Notion makes it incredibly straightforward. You can build custom project dashboards that give you a clear overview of every initiative. Easily assign tasks to specific team members and establish firm deadlines to ensure everyone stays on track. Whether you prefer a Kanban board, a timeline, or a calendar view, Notion adapts to your preferred method, helping you monitor progress and identify potential bottlenecks before they become major issues. It's a flexible system for any project size. A well-organized knowledge base is vital for any growing business. With Notion, you can create a central repository for all your company's essential information. Store policies, procedures, and critical documents in one secure, easily accessible location. Imagine a searchable wiki where team members can quickly find answers to common questions, reducing interruptions. This also significantly streamlines the onboarding process for new employees, providing them with a comprehensive resource hub from day one, ensuring everyone has the information they need. Notion isn't just for internal operations. It can also be a powerful tool for managing your client relationships and sales. You can easily develop a simple, yet effective, customer relationship management system tailored to your specific needs. Track every client interaction, monitor your sales pipeline, and keep a close eye on lead progress. Organize all your client notes, meeting summaries, and communication history in one place, ensuring you never miss a detail and can follow up promptly and professionally, enhancing client satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.